Hello, my name is Jackson Mitchell. I'm from Palmer Lake, Colorado, and I'm applying for the internship in the Marinucci law offices. I'm currently studying psychology at the University of Kansas, and I'm a part of the LEAD program here. I will be attending law school here after I have my undergraduate degree. I've traveled to Australia, the Bahamas, Mexico, Austria, Liechtenstein, Germany, Belgium, Switzerland, the Netherlands, France, and England. But I've never actually been to New York, so I look forward to seeing firsthand how different New York is from everywhere that I've been before. I've also met with a former British Prime Minister and have met with a member of Australian Parliament. As a result, I am familiar with the legal systems in other developed nations. I've served as a teaching assistant for 3 years and am efficient at filing and paperwork. I'm used to this sort of work as an office assistant, and I'm completely capable and prepared to handle any and all requirements in that capacity. I've viewed different legal systems in my travels to other countries, and I've even sat in on an Australian court case. So I feel that my experience with these different legal systems make me much more suited for this internship. Also, due to my work with other people, I'm very used to dealing with people in unusual situations. I feel that my enthusiasm and desire that I have for this work make me the best qualified candidate, and I hope that I'll have a chance to prove that to you. I was drawn to this internship as it will allow me to gain experience in the fields of which I'm currently unfamiliar, but I'm going to need later on, namely how to file legal paperwork and how to conduct myself properly in a court of law. Not to mention the benefit that I will gain watching how an attorney conducts themselves when representing others. I've never had to be in a courtroom as anything other than a passive observer, so I think it would greatly benefit me to take on a much more active role. In my psychology classes, I'm currently learning how to solve problems in new and innovative ways and how to maintain my organization even when things are moving at a very rapid pace. I'm also learning the motivations and thinking processes which most people follow, which will allow me to better serve as an assistant both in the office and in the courtroom. Since I will later be attending law school, I think I'll be better able to handle the responsibilities which this internship entails. I have extensive worldly experience and have a lot of motivation and drive to prove myself, but I have very few real-world opportunities that require the application for these skills. Also, due to my work with other people, I'm very used to dealing with people in unusual situations, as I mentioned before. I've worked as a research analyst, so I'm very familiar with legal terms and with providing background research to support evidence. Thanks to this, I've highly developed research skills and I'm able to think both logically and analytically. As a research assistant, I had to do a large amount of research, writing, and critical thinking. I also plan to travel abroad so as to continue my studies of other nations' legal systems and better prepare myself for the future. I hope that during my study abroad, I'll be able to work with a foreign law firm so as to better understand how other legal systems work so that I can better prepare myself to work here in the United States. I also plan to work as a guardian ad litem and represent children in court cases where their parents are either disagreeing or absent, such as divorces. My mother served as a CASA advocate in Colorado, and I plan on representing children in much the same way she did. She looked after the children's interest and made sure that they were well taken care of. In conclusion, I think that these unique experiences and the unique background which I possess make me the best suited candidate for this position, and I hope that I've proven that to you today. Thank you. Have a nice day.